Hey guys, I hope you're having a really good day and making some really good trades. It's incredible. We're actually at 161 subscribers now, and I'm super thankful for everyone subscribing, liking, and joining the Discord and sharing. And we're learning a lot together. And I mean, I think I'm teaching a lot of people a lot of things, and Ben and all the moderators educating people on using proper risk management. I just want to say thank you to everyone. And all right, let's just get into it. And we had a huge, another big drop again from 46,000 after the weekly close, and we went down to 42. This was my next area of support right here. People were asking me, how do I know this is the next area, right? What makes me say that? Well, we had the previous all-time high in January right here, right? Let's see right here we had this previous area of support right there, resistance, and it was resistance there again. We came back down, tested this as resistance, got rejected one more time, and then we blasted through it with this big Elon Musk candle, and then we went back up, came back down, almost tested it as support. I think it got front run during this drop right here. People are front running it and then bought the dip before it could get down to here. You're gonna get a lot of that, right? So it went back up, and now we're going zooming out. It's still an area of support, and we tested it. We tested it a few times, almost like 1, 2, 3. I had a buy order here at 42,100, and I'm not kidding. It was like a couple dollars from being filled, 42,100. Yeah, it was $85 from being filled, so it was really close. But I think I was too close to my order. Maybe I should have raised it a little bit. I was being a little too greedy. But that was fun. It was pretty close on that one. And now when we go back on the hourly, it looks like we're like breaking out of this little triangle right here, or just this downtrend, and we're going back and we're testing it as support, which is really good. If we break that and then we keep going up and test this again and break through this, then it'd be really good. This could have been the bottom, right? We look on Market Cipher, we got the 4 hours, right? Double green. So now before I get into the green dot strategy again, I just want to clarify these big yellow X's right here. Now these are manipulation crosses, right? I don't like to enter positions when there's these big manipulation X's. I'll exit my position at a loss even if I have to, right? So let's say I entered here, right? Up there, and then it starts to come back down again, and I'm like break even almost, and then this manipulation X comes up. Now I'm gone. I'm out of my trade. I don't like manipulation at all, right? So there's another one right here. So manipulation, push the price down again, right? So this is what Market Cipher can tell you. It tells you all about the data. Right here, when we had manipulation and it faked everyone out, and then we went back up. So what does that tell you? And you can see it on the larger time frames, on the 8 hour, on the 6 hour. The different time frames are going to tell you different things, but at the grand scheme of things, it's just manipulation. You just gotta see through it and make your trades properly. There's so many of these yellow crosses. So even if there's a green dot right here and then a manipulation, I'm out. I'll just wait a couple candles. Maybe the manipulation X's will stop. All right. So that's how I exercise proper risk management as well. Just listen to the chart, what's telling you. Leave your emotions out, guys. If you get stopped out in a trade, right, and then you start to panic and you get liquidated, just remove yourself from that situation. Go get some fresh air. Go do something else, right? The worst thing that you can do is trade with emotions. If you're sad, angry, you're going to try to enter in a trade and make up for the loss that you just experienced by over leveraging and adding more to the position that already doesn't make sense, right? If you're already in a losing position, just wait. You always want to enter from an area of strength, right? From a position of strength, sorry. So, yeah. Just some tips and tricks. I don't want to get in quickly onto the bigger picture. Once again, people are panicking. We closed above. We held the line. This was really fun to talk about the Discord. Everyone was they're here for the weekly close. We were trying to hold the line, and we held the line. We closed above the 21 weekly EMA. And right now, well, we have a huge giant wick below it, but that's nothing to be concerned about. It's tiny. Look how small it is when you look at it, right? We are up so much, guys. The people who spot traded this without leverage, you guys are still up 398%. That is something to be proud of. From here, we're up. We went up to 623%, right? And people are saying that we're going to 30,000, 18,000, and that's a lot. that's a big drop. That's like a 59% drop. That's a huge amount of support levels that you have to break through, So I don't think that's really realistic. I think they're just clickbaiting and trying to get everyone that's attention and more views. So I'm not here for that. I'm just here to give you good, reliable data and good analysis. We still have 5 days and 22 hours before this candle closes. This can technically have a big wick down, like right here, and a huge pump up, 30%. We could do that. It's possible. It's also possible that we have a huge wick down. We go down further. It's very possible we go down further. Okay, not 40%, but like we go down a little further. I think it's very possible that we go down a little further and shake more people out. It's possible. I don't know why Elon Musk is tweeting these things too, because he's having a negative impact on his own Bitcoin holdings, and the fact that people are getting angry at him and saying like to cancel Tesla, to boycott Tesla, don't do that. Just he's just another person. It doesn't really matter if he's selling Bitcoin. Who cares? Good, sell Bitcoin more for us. Fill up my bags. And we can have I always want to compare it to this. It could be something like this, right? It could technically just be like this. We just wick down and we keep going back up. We drop down and we have this huge pump up. It's very possible that we do something like that. Look at this. We have this. There was this massive wick down back here in 2016 when the price was at 619. It went down 25%, and then this is a weekly candle, so there's many days in here where it just dropped down and then it went back up and then closed above and held the line. Right? We are still in the bull market. I don't know why people are saying this is the end. If it's the end, then I like to systematically take profits. So I will sell some for USDT. So I will buy, like, let's say I bought some here. I will sell some here at this peak, watch the drop, trade some up here, sell up here, watch it drop down, sell up, and then keep buying up. And then I'll sell some as I go. People may get angry that why do you do that? Well, I sell as I go so I can buy these big massive dips. Like, look at this dip. This is huge. This is from the top up. This is a 29% retracement. Another 30% correction in the bull market. They're not uncommon. They happen all the time. So just calm down. It's nothing crazy is gonna happen. Like, I don't think anything crazy is gonna happen, like a huge black swan event, unless the stock market crashes and everything crashes. Then yeah, that might happen. Then we'll go down. But it's not because of just Bitcoin's like worthless. It's because everything else is crashing. And you can see that right here when the March crash. When the stock market crashed, Bitcoin crashed as well. Right? It's all still very correlated. And looking on the bigger picture here too, on a logarithmic time scale, we could still go up and up and up and up and then go back down, test this as support, and we could still go back up. And if it goes down, it goes down. We can trade it down. We can still make some very good trades on the way down. You could still trade it down. So right now we're getting a little green dot right here again. So maybe there's no manipulation here, but it's pretty close to this manipulation X. So I'm not going to enter any trades right now. And yeah, guys, just if you get liquidated, please just don't rush into any trades. Remove yourself from that situation. I've been there. Yes, I've been liquidated. How do you think I learned about leverage trading? You know, you have to learn the hard. You can either learn the hard way, or you can listen to someone and let them teach you so you don't get liquidated, and you can learn the easier way. Right? So that's what I'm here for. I'm trying to avoid people getting liquidated. Over leveraging is probably the worst thing you can do when you don't fully understand leverage. Let's say someone enters here thinking it's going to keep going up because it's been going up, and then we start going back down, and they only, let's say they're using 20 leverage, and then the market goes down 5%, and they don't use stop losses, then they'll get liquidated. Right? You lose your principal. You lose a lot. You can use a lot. And I never trade with my entire account, right? I only use small portions. On the challenge account, maybe I'll use half, right? But you know, usually I'll use half, like on a strong entry point. Like I think I put an order here for half the challenge account with like 10x leverage, but it was at a very strong area of like support, right? It was a strong entry point. Right here would have been good. Even if I held this till today, I would still be up with 10x leverage. I would still be up 5.86%. But that's if my order was filled. You know, I was $85 off. We're not going to talk about that. Yeah. Anyways, I don't want to make this video too long. It's already like 11 minutes long. I love the Discord chat. It's so funny. You guys are so you guys are making very good patterns and learning a lot so far. And you're making very good trades, so keep at it. Patience is very good. Wait on the sidelines. You don't have to trade every day to make money. You can have a lot in like a side account where you just hold it, and you don't have to trade. You don't have to trade every day. Sometimes I won't trade every day. Sometimes I have a full-time job. I do other things. And you know, I don't have that much time to trade, so when I trade when I can, and if the market makes sense. And right now it looks like we're confirming this bounce from the downtrend, so maybe we'll enter a position, maybe we'll not. I don't mind sitting on the sidelines for a long time. I've got nothing to lose. When you've got nothing to lose on the side, maybe you're not making money, but maybe you're also not losing money, and that's the number one important thing, not to lose money. Anyways, I don't want to talk too long. Thanks for subscribing, everyone. If you want to sign up for Buyvid or BlockFi, you could use the link in the description. I really appreciate the subscription. And yeah, love you guys. Peace.